Hey folks, so the other day I noticed that my hot water faucet in my bathroom started leaking, as you can see here. It's leaking pretty badly, and this is common. This is almost a 17-year-old faucet, so yeah, it's about that time when the O-ring and sealant starts to fail. So I decided to replace it, and this is an easy fix. So to actually remove the handle from the setup, I used a 3/32 hex key. Just get the little pin loosened and then the handle easily comes off. And before I start with the actual work, I turn off the water valves under the sink. And I also close the block drain so nothing gets in there. So from here, all you need to do is remove that nut that holds the stem in place, either by using a Allen wrench, or in this case I'm using a locking plier. Then my stem was kind of stuck inside, so I had to use a little bit of force using the plier to get it out, but just wiggled a little bit and I was able to get it out. Here's the Delta stem replacement part. I was able to get it at my Home Depot store. I'm going to put the part number in the description here. Comes in two parts, that stem itself and then that little plastic piece. That's the kind of end position for the handle to make sure the handle stops at the full open position. And here I want to make sure you guys pay attention to this. So there are a couple holes in there. The larger one, the one to the left, that's the hot water coming in. And the smaller one to the right, that's the connection going to the faucet. So you want to make sure that when you're inserting the new stem, that the little metal plate aligns on top of the larger left hole when the handle is on the closed position. Simply insert the new stem in place and screw that nut back in. You don't have to over tighten it, just make sure it's nice and secure, but you don't want to over tighten or damage that nut. That's done. Now let's just put the handle back in and secure it in place using that 3/32 hex key, and that will be it. Just don't forget to turn the water valves under the sink back on. And there you have it. That's a quick fix for those leaking bathroom faucets. Thanks for watching.